What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be installing some clear turn signals on my 1993 LS400 to get rid of these orange ones. And I actually am going with more of an orange color scheme for this car, but I really just don't like the orange turn signals right next to the headlights like that. I think I don't know, I just don't like it. I like the clear ones a lot better. But I have a custom license plate that's coming, and it's orange. And then I think I'm going to paint the brakes orange. And whenever I get a new hood, I'm going to paint some flames like along the hood, and then do like some graffiti of a logo of a new business. I think I'm starting on there, just kind of, I don't know, because it's a cheaper car. I can kind of have my creative liberties with it. But I do still want to get rid of the orange turn signals. So I ordered these clear ones off of eBay. I'll try to remember to put a link down in the description where you can buy these. They were just the cheapest UCF 10 clear turn signals. I don't see any issue with them. I mean, they don't feel super high, they feel a little cheap. I mean, you can kind of hear they rattle and stuff, but I don't really care. They're clear, so they'll look good. And then also my this one on the driver's side, the bracket is broken inside of there, so a lot of the times this one will pop out and dangle out. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace them. I think they were like 60 bucks around there, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw those on. That'll be pretty easy, so this will be a short video. But I'm also going to be there'll be more Lexus videos coming soon. I got these tires mounted today on these new wheels. These are Saline Mustang wheels. They're 18x9. They fit really well in this car. So those will be going on soon. I had to get some different lug nuts for them. And I'm also going to lower the car a lot more. I'm waiting on some stiffer springs to arrive and some motor risers to lift the engine up so the oil pan doesn't crack when it hits the ground. And then I might need to mess with the exhaust a little bit, but the car needs a good bit of work. I washed it today and test fitted these, and I'm just kind of doing some paint touch up and just random little things with it. I might change the exhaust setup, because if you look, you can see that muffler hangs pretty low, so I'm afraid when I lower it that it's going to rub a hole in the muffler. It also has an exhaust leak currently. Just little things that need to be done with it. I cleaned the exhaust up today though and polished it, so it looks pretty good. I'm gonna make like a drag wing for it. I got a gutter right there. I'm gonna maybe try to make a side skirt out of gutter. We'll see. I did it on my friend's Honda Accord, so we'll see if I can do it on this car. It actually looked really good on his Accord, so hopefully it works out. And then I need a new fender, new hood. I'm gonna get a new bumper, just a bunch of different stuff. So there'll be a lot of Lexus content coming, a lot of just working on it and stuff. I'm gonna try to get a welded diff and just different parts for it to kind of get the build moving along. I didn't really know how far I wanted to go with this build, but now I got enough good deals on stuff where I don't have to spend too much money on it, and I can still make it pretty cool. Like, I got these wheels for 200 bucks. I already had the tires, and I got those two tires for 70 bucks, and they're basically brand new. So I'm pretty excited to make it cooler, kind of get some style points going on it right now. I mean, I love these Cobra wheels. They look really good, and the car looks good as is. It still turns a lot of heads because everyone's like, oh, a weird 90s Lexus with a roof box on it. That's strange. So I'm excited for it to have good fitment and be lowered. But yeah, that's just an update on the car and the channel. That's more of just an update if you're going to follow the build and my channel. So I'll quit yapping and we'll get into the turn signals. It is super easy to do. You've got one screw here, and you'll take that out, and that will reveal more mounting here till you get this one out. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one out and show you what it looks like. And also, since these are clear, they don't have the orange lenses, so they come with orange bulbs for you to replace them with, so that the turn signals are still the amber color. So once you got this popped out, you can see there's the bulb. You just take this and twist it. If I can do it with one hand, it's not that hard. And then it pops out like that, and then you've got your whole turn signal. removed. And then here we have the bulb, which this one's clear. So I'm gonna pop that out and then just replace it with the little amber one it gives you. The little one goes on the outside and the bigger one goes on the inside. It only fit one way. And then you've got this here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unscrew that screw, and then that one will pop out and we can just put in the new ones exactly how we took these out. So I just tested it. Now I'm actually kind of looking at it. I don't know if I like this as much. You can see how bright that is. It's like cool white compared to regular, kind of like a warm white. I guess we'll see how it looks afterwards. But if you look at these, you can see this one has a little pop tab and this one doesn't. And if you look closely, it has a hex on it. So I think you got to take a socket and screw that out and then screw it into this one. And then also this little white thing is facing the wrong direction. That needs to be popped out and put in the other direction. So I gotta take this back out and flip that around so that that can snap into it. All right, so they're all installed. Taking out those little snap pieces right here was a little hard, but then once I just ended up using a pair of pliers to get them out and then screw them into the new ones. It was pretty easy. It was just like a self-tapping screw going into plastic. As you can see, they don't match the headlight color, so I'm not sure how I feel about them. I do think I like them more than the orange though. Another weird thing about these is they have this little part that sticks out. I don't know if I hate it or if I think it's cool, but that's there on these, I guess. That might just be why these are a little bit cheaper. And on this one, the previous owner had self-tapped it in and then it was broken. So there's some broken plastic back here. So I just kind of used like an anchor behind here where it goes through and it's kind of like a wing and it spreads out. And then that's how I screwed this one in, so this one doesn't fall out anymore. But I'm hopefully getting a new bumper soon anyways. Like new, but a used bumper. So I'll go ahead and show you what they look like. Let's put the car in accessory mode here real quick. So at the loud fan, that fan's just turned on to electric. So here's what they look like. That's actually really bright. I think that looks really good. A lot better than the OEM ones. I don't think that's an LED, but it's a lot brighter. And then over here you can see there's the turn signal bulb. Sorry for that loud fan, but it looks like they're slightly different color, but I mean, that doesn't really matter. I think it's easier to see the turn signal now too with these new clear ones. And I definitely like the daytime lights a lot more. Let me turn this off so you don't hear that loud fan. But yeah, actually, when I first put them in, I was a little unsure about them because the clear color is kind of like a cool white instead of a warm white that matches the headlights, but I actually like it now a lot more. I think it makes the front end look a lot better, and I think it'll look better once I have these chrome wheels on too. But that's pretty much it for this video. Sorry there's a lot of talking at the beginning. You can skip through that if you don't care about this car or the channel. You just want to see these lights, but they work good. The quality is pretty good for 60 bucks, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Please follow me on Instagram at Nick Jarnap and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.